Hello everyone. So today I'm going to share with you one client's case study that when they have started with us, they're doing close to 21 lakhs in sales. Now they're doing in the last 60 days, they have done more than 64 lakhs in sales with a TACOS of 1.2%. So let me just show you the account with you. Let me just show you the sales, how we have managed to brought down the TACOS so less, so low, around 1.2%. So let me show you, and then we'll move around with the strategies. So here in the screen, you can see the client joined with us in in June. So let me show you the sales of that account before they have joined with us. So here you can see these are their sales before they are joining. Let me just refresh it once. So you can see 21 lakhs they were doing before they are joined with us. Now, after they have onboarded, let me show you how much are their sales after they have onboarded with us. So you can see after they have onboarded their sales, you can see 64 lakhs 32,615 rupees. Now I will give you the breakdown how we have achieved that much TACOS of around 1.2%. You can see the growth of this account. Now let me show you the advertising dashboard as well. So here you can see the advertising dashboard. In this, you can see from June to July. So the month of June, you can see you have spent around 33,000 in ads, where it have given us a ACOS of 10.53%. So let me just again show you the sales and everything for July as well. So from July to today, you can see the ACOS is around 12.92%, and the spend have increased. We are scaling right now. Here you can see the ACOS. Here you can see the sales. Sales have almost doubled in ads. Now, if I show you the reports for this account, let me just try to bring in. Now, hope you can see the data. So in June, in the month of June, the total sales were around 27 lakh 17,000 rupees, where the ACOS was around 10.53%. The ad spend was 33,356. So the TACOS for the month of June was around 1.2% TACOS. That means for every product that they were selling worth 100 rupees, they were spending 1 rupees 20 paisa only to sell that product. Again, if I come to the July report, the July they have generated a total sale of around 38 lakhs 5,000 rupees. So you can see the jump. The ACOS is around 12.93%. The ad spent have increased to 76,857%. The TACOS is coming around 2%. Now it will go on optimization right now. So for every 100 rupees product the customer is buying, it is costing 2 rupees to the brand to sell that product. Now the increase in sale from the last month is around 10 lakhs 88,000 rupees. 10 lakhs in increase. Now the sales before onboarding was around 21 lakhs. So the total increase in sales in 60 days, you can see it is around 43 lakhs 32,615 rupees. So 43 lakhs 32,000 sales have increased since they have onboarded with us. Now you can see the increase in ad spend from the month of June to July is around 80 paisa. So that is how it is. You can see we are also projecting the sales for this month. August is around 44 lakhs to 58 lakhs in sales, but the projected ACOS will be at 12 to 14%. What we are projecting with a projected TACOS of 1.4 for 2 to 2.2%. Now, if you don't know what is TACOS is basically if you're selling a product for 100 rupees, how much money you're spending to sell that product. So for this client, we were spending, you can see in the starting, we are spending only 1 rupees 20 paisa to sell a product for 100 rupees. And in July, we are spending just 2 rupees to sell one product for 100 rupees that was selling for 100 rupees. So this is kind of result that we are bringing to our clients. Now, if you're interested, you can probably see one form below. You can fill and you will get a contact. You'll get a call from my team for onboarding. Thank you so much. I will probably bring one more case study of this account, what all strategies we have used. So stay tuned and comment below Amazon advertising if you want to see that exact strategy video. Thank you so much. I'll see you again.